Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling auto lock when driving on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can have the car automatically lock when you start driving. If you don't want this setting enabled, you can turn it off in the settings. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Tap the car button to the right of the infotainment system screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the page. Scroll down the settings and tap Opening and Closing. Under the Central Locking heading, tap Lock Automatically when driving. When there is a check in the checkbox to the right of the setting, the doors will lock when you begin driving. If there is no check in the checkbox, then the car will not lock when you begin driving. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.